Welcome to the world of GK for learning general knowledge. Today, let's study some important previous year questions. These questions are very useful for all competitive exams. Let's start. First question, which gland is known as master gland? Answer, pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is known as master gland of our body. Next question, first metal used by human. Answer, copper. Copper is the first metal used by human. Next one, pacemaker is associated with which organ? Answer, heart. Pacemaker is associated with heart. Fourth one, Indian calendar follows which pattern? Answer, Shaka Samvat. Indian calendar follows the calendar Shaka Samvat. Fifth question, who has written National Song of India? Answer, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee wrote National Song of India. We know National Song of India is Vande Mataram. Next one, what is the ratio of national flag? Answer, 3:2. Here, length is to breadth ratio is 3:2. Next question, who has given the title Rashtrapita to Mahatma Gandhi? Answer, Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose has given the title Rashtrapita to Gandhiji. Next one, who is known as the wisest fool or mixture of opposites? Answer, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq is known as wisest fool and mixture of opposites. Next question, this is our 9th question. Who was the court poet of Alauddin Khilji? Answer, Amir Khusro. Amir Khusro was the court poet of Alauddin Khilji. One of his famous work is Laila Majnu. Tenth question, the first battle of Tarain was fought in? Answer, 1191 AD. Next one, Babur's first attack of India was in? Answer, 1519 AD. Babur's first attack of India was in the year 1519 AD. Next question, who was the last Sultan of Delhi? Answer, Ibrahim Lodi. Among the Delhi Sultanate, there were 5 dynasties. In that, Lodi dynasty was the last dynasty. And the last Sultan of Delhi was Ibrahim Lodi. Next question, the Mughal emperor who died due to a sudden fall from the staircase was? Answer, Humayun. Humayun died due to a sudden fall from the staircase. Our 14th question, founder of Mughal Empire. Founder of Mughal Empire is Babur and his reign was from 1526 to 1530. And his full name is Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur. Fifteenth question, who wrote the historical kavya Padmavati about Padmini? Answer, Malik Muhammad Jaisi. Malik Muhammad Jaisi was the author of historical work Padmavati. Next question, 16th one. Who was the first Muslim ruler of India? Answer, Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak was the first Muslim ruler of India and he founded slave dynasty. Next one. Who was the founder of Khilji dynasty? Answer, Jalaluddin Khilji. Jalaluddin Khilji founded Khilji dynasty. Next question, the only woman ruler of Delhi Sultanate. Answer, Sultana Razia. Sultana Razia was the only woman ruler of Delhi Sultanate. And she was daughter of Iltutmish. 19th question, who was the first Turkish conqueror of North India? Answer, Muhammad Ghazni. Muhammad Ghazni was the first Turkish conqueror of North India. Next one, who is known as Indian Homer and Persian Homer? Answer, Al-Firdausi. Al-Firdausi was known as Indian Homer and Persian Homer. Next one, the first foreigners to invade India were? Answer, Greeks. So Greeks were the first foreigners to invade India. Next question, who was the founder of slave dynasty? Answer, Qutbuddin Aibak. So Qutbuddin Aibak was the founder of slave dynasty. Next one, Qutb Minar was constructed by? Answer, Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak constructed Qutb Minar. He started the construction of Qutb Minar but he could not complete it. The ruler known as Lag Baksh. Answer, Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak, also known as Lag Baksh. Next one, who completed the construction of Qutb Minar? Answer, Iltutmish. Qutbuddin Aibak started the construction of Qutb Minar but his son Iltutmish completed the construction of Qutb Minar. Next one, Qutb Minar was constructed in the memory of which Sufi saint? Answer, Khwaja Qutbuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki. Qutb Minar was constructed in the memory of Khwaja Qutbuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki. And our 27th question, when and where was Qutb Minar built? It was built in the year 1199 in Delhi. Next question, slave dynasty is also known as? Answer, Mamluk dynasty. Slave dynasty is also known as Mamluk dynasty. Next question, the Venetian traveler visited India during the reign of Devaraya I. Answer, Niccolo Conti. Niccolo Conti was the Venetian traveler who visited India during the reign of Devaraya I. Next one, the Russian merchant and traveler visited during the reign of Devaraya I. Here it is Russian merchant. Answer, Athanasius Nikitin. Athanasius Nikitin was the Russian merchant and traveler visited during the reign of Devaraya I. Here we have seen the Venetian traveler, that is Niccolo Conti. Next, here it is our last question. The Greek historian who wrote about Alexander's Indian invasion. Answer, Arrian. Arrian was the Greek historian who wrote about Alexander's Indian invasion. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.